Changing the language in the Temu app is a straightforward process. Follow these steps or adjust the language settings according to your preference. Step 1. Open the Temu app. Launch the Temu app on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by tapping on your profile icon or the menu icon located in the top corner of the app. Step 3. Find language options. Look for the language or language settings option within the account settings menu. This may be listed under General Settings or Preferences. Step 4. Select your preferred language. Tap on the language option to view the available languages. Choose your desired language from the list provided. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your preferred language, make sure to save the changes. The app may refresh or restart to apply the new language setting. By following these steps, you can easily change the language in the Temu app. Enjoy using the app in your preferred language.